Let me see. $3 inches, 4 inches.
At this point,
Right,
I'll get it back when I get this one down here and
right.
kind of take a judgment there. You know, that's too sharp. That's too much yellow. And you want that just to sharpen up to that blue there.
Oh, okay.
And that's a lot of heat.
Okay. It wasn't getting much heat.
So I'll warm it up here.
Uh-huh.
What I'm doing is drying the flux out.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to come over here. I'd rather not have flux on that because it will hold on to that little. It'll make it sticky and hold on to this little thing the little ball that I pick up.
You're
And
melting the flux? Melting the
picking it
solder.
up. Yeah, watch that. See that?
Oh,
It's up on there.
Went really fast.
Yeah, it will because we don't have much material here. Put it right there. Boom.
Can you do it again? The
I
part
could do
where
it again.
the part where it melted was really quick. Okay, so you
Yeah,
pick
that's
one of those up.
yeah. That one right there
Separated?
looks a little bit big, so
Yeah.
I'm getting one that's somewhere so in between that. Let's go there anyway. We'll see how that one works. I don't.